The advancements in technology have led to some deadly innovations that can pose a significant threat to humanity. From self-destruct helmets to nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, these inventions have the potential to cause mass destruction and raise ethical concerns. In this video, we will explore 5 deadly innovations that should be feared the most. As always, viewer discretion is advised for this topic, as some of the weapons discussed may be offensive or disturbing. It's important to remember that these weapons are not created with good intentions, but rather to inflict harm and destruction. We must stay informed about these developments to protect ourselves from those who would use them for evil. Let us dive into the dark world of deadly innovations and uncover the truth behind the most feared weapons of our time. 5. Self-destruct helmets. Imagine a soldier running towards you with a helmet that can be blown up by simply flipping a switch. This innovation is not science fiction, but a terrifying reality. Known as the S-84 or S-100 Sapper, this explosive helmet was developed in Russia and has been designed to be resistant to bullets, shrapnel, and explosions. However, its primary purpose is to clear minefields. Soldiers wearing the helmet approach the minefield and detonate the explosives remotely. While this technology has practical applications, it also poses a significant threat to civilians. If the helmet is removed, the soldier is safe. But if it's destroyed or the soldier is disarmed, the explosives detonate, killing or injuring anyone nearby. There have been numerous instances of civilian casualties resulting from the S-84 or S-100 Sapper being damaged. The use of such dangerous technology highlights the need for international regulations and safety protocols to protect civilians during armed conflicts. It also raises ethical questions about the use of remote detonation technology in military operations. As technology continues to advance, it is essential to consider the potential consequences of new innovations and ensure that they are used responsibly and ethically. 4. Atomic aircraft carriers. Picture this, an aircraft carrier with the destructive power of an atomic bomb, developed by the United States. This innovative warship is equipped with a nuclear reactor that produces both heat and electricity, allowing it to operate for extended periods without refueling. The USS Enterprise, the first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, was commissioned in 1961 and remains in service today. These carriers are capable of launching airstrikes, providing air support, and conducting surveillance missions. Their range and endurance are virtually unlimited, making them formidable assets in any navy. However, the environmental impact of nuclear-powered aircraft carriers is a major concern. If one of these carriers is damaged or sunk, it could release radioactive materials into the surrounding environment, causing widespread contamination and posing a significant risk to human health. Additionally, the risk of nuclear weapons being used in an airstrike conducted by these carriers cannot be ignored. The presence of nuclear-powered aircraft carriers in a conflict zone raises the stakes and could lead to catastrophic consequences. 3. Smart bullets. Imagine a world where bullets can navigate their way through obstacles to hit their target. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, think again. Developed by the U.S. military. These high-tech projectiles are guided by GPS technology and can be fired from standard rifles or machine guns. Once in the air, they can be redirected by the shooter or programmed to detonate upon impact. This makes them highly accurate and effective in combat situations. But smart bullets also pose a significant risk to civilians and other non-combatants. Their ability to be redirected mid-flight means that they could easily miss their intended target and strike innocent bystanders. Additionally, the use of GPS technology raises concerns about hacking and cyber attacks. If the system is compromised, smart bullets could go off course and cause unintended damage. The development of such advanced weaponry highlights the need for international cooperation and regulation to prevent the proliferation of dangerous technologies. It also raises ethical questions about the use of autonomous weapon systems and the potential impact on civilian populations. As we move forward, it is crucial to consider the broader implications of military technology and work towards developing solutions that prioritize the safety and well-being of all people. 2. Armed drones. Imagine a small unmanned aircraft flying towards you with lethal intent. It may seem like something out of a sci-fi movie, but armed drones are a growing threat around the world. These unmanned aerial vehicles are equipped with explosives, missiles, or other weapons and can be controlled remotely or programmed to follow a preset path. They are often used for surveillance purposes, but they can also be deployed to carry out targeted attacks. The use of armed drones in conflict zones has raised serious ethical concerns. They operate without the human element, which raises questions about accountability and responsibility in the event of civilian casualties. Additionally, their deployment can result in an escalation of violence and make it difficult to distinguish between combatants and non-combatants. The proliferation of armed drones is a growing concern as they become more accessible to terrorist organizations and other non-state actors. Their affordability and ease of use make them an attractive option for those looking to cause harm from afar. As drone technology continues to advance, it is essential that we develop international regulations and norms to govern their use in conflict zones. These measures should aim to protect civilian lives and ensure that armed drones are not used in a manner that violates international humanitarian law. No. 1. AI-powered robots. Imagine a future where robots patrol the streets, enforce laws, and even engage in combat. While this may sound like a futuristic fantasy, we are quickly approaching a reality where AI-powered robots are commonplace. These advanced machines can perform tasks autonomously without human intervention, making them valuable assets in various industries from manufacturing to military operations. However, the rise of AI-powered robots also poses a significant threat to humanity. As these robots become more sophisticated and autonomous, they become more difficult to control and could potentially cause harm to humans. One of the biggest concerns surrounding AI-powered robots is the potential for job displacement. As these machines become more efficient and cost-effective, they could replace human workers in a variety of industries, leading to mass unemployment and economic instability. Additionally, the use of AI-powered robots in warfare raises ethical concerns about accountability and the potential for loss of life. Autonomous weapon systems could make decisions without the oversight of human commanders and could potentially engage in indiscriminate attacks. The rise of AI-powered robots highlights the need for international cooperation and regulation to ensure that these technologies are developed and used responsibly. We must also be prepared to address the social and economic impacts of automation and work towards creating a future where humans and robots coexist peacefully. It is crucial that we stay informed about the latest developments in AI technology and engage in thoughtful discussions about the potential benefits and risks. By working together, we can shape the future of AI and ensure that it is used to improve our lives and create a better world for all. These innovations are not just interesting pieces of technology, but rather powerful tools that can shape the future of warfare and the world order. It is crucial that we understand the implications of these innovations and work towards developing responsible and ethical guidelines for their use. What do you think about these deadly innovations? Do you think they will change the future of warfare? Share your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one. Thank you for watching.